So for this reflection, I wanted to try using Screencast-O-Matic, and I wanted to try doing both the webcam and the computer screen, because I think it's a really cool thing to use, and I just want to get more used to it. And my reflection is going to be based off of this article, The Apprenticeship of Observation. I liked this article because because I have seen myself doing this, where I basically have been teaching the way I have been taught. I just started teaching lessons to the kids at my church. Like, I just recently became in charge of that. And the reason for that is because I saw that the people who were previously in charge of teaching the adolescents, they were just giving lectures to the kids, and so the kids wouldn't retain the information that was given to them. So then I decided to step in to find a new way to teach them, so that they can actually learn something, and so that it actually stays with them. But I thought it was going to be easy, but then I realized, it's actually a lot harder than it seems to try to find your own method of teaching. Because when I first started out, and I still do, I'm still having trouble finding my own way of teaching. But when my very first lesson, it was a lecture. It was just a lecture, and the kids were bored, and I felt so bad. But it's just it was just harder than I thought to just, to teach in a different way. It's not until just recently that I'm slowly starting to find a new way to teach them. For example, I'm trying to incorporate technology into my teaching. Last week I used the PowerPoint to help me. I used the PowerPoint slides with pictures, because I know for them to just listen to me talk, it's not going to do them any good. But yeah, that becoming a teacher for them just made me realize, this paragraph right here where it says we only see the front stage behaviors of teacher, so monitoring, correcting, and all that stuff. So just because we only see the front stage, we think that it's very easy to come up with new lesson plans, and it's not. I honestly do wish that we would get more backstage, we would learn more about the backstage behaviors of teachers. I think that would be a lot more helpful than to just see the front stage. And also, it's just helpful for students to see the backstage behaviors of their teachers, because that way they can see the process that the teachers have to go through in order to make a lesson plan. And I don't know, I think that teachers should also get feedback from their kids. I think that's a really good way to find a new teaching style, because they're the ones that are being taught. So listening to them is just a really good way for us to move away from the folk ways of teaching. So yeah, that's it for my reflection. Yeah.